That is why. You still taking pictures? Still doing video. Want to get as much as I can today, actually. I'm still pretty good on battery, too. Huh?
Tell them to grandma.
Well, yeah, I suppose. Yeah. Nina Horn, she was quite the lady. I think she just died recently. Oh. Yeah. I like that area north of San Francisco along the coast. Boy, is that nice. Yeah,
I put a hole through the cactus.
Yeah, it takes a long time to. And it's pretty curly. Yeah, it is. Boy, it's pretty. Yeah.
Cacti get pretty lacking in water. That's why they dry up.
Well, they got Chinatown. And I mean, they got so many, you know, they got like a little Italy there in Chinatown. And, all the different ethnic foods. Seafood, they're right on the ocean. The wharf. Oh, yeah, they got great places down by the wharf. And that San Francisco bread that is very nice. Yeah. Sourdough.
Oh. On what?
Where's the trail where you see the petroglyphs, Edbert?
What's that?
Is there a trail where there's some rock art or hieroglyphics or something on?
Yeah. Over in Gold Canyon.
Oh, okay.
Gold Canyon's got it?
Okay. You ever go on a hike there? Or?
Yeah.
And it's friends of ours, their kids.
Okay.
We can do that one too.
Yeah, I like to. We've never done that, so.
Horsey doo doo.
Somebody said that's a steeper climb,
Oh, yeah.
but it's not as far, like 3 miles. It's not even quite 3 miles. Yeah. To and from. Oh, really? Yeah. But it's cut because it's steep? Yeah.
Did you see that little critter? A little critter. I didn't see nothing. You're talking about a lizard, they're freaking fast. Fast like lightning. You can't catch them. Little baby. Huh.
Getting ready to bloom, maybe. Maybe not, though. Maybe that's an old dried up one. Yeah, that would have been fun.
Hey! Jumping cacti.
It is.
I got some fence post cactus, but that's about it. We had a couple of cactus in our yard that we took out. Oh, and I got a barrel. I got one of those yellow barrel cactus. No, they don't. Anyway, so we got quite a few palm trees. Those got to be trimmed. Yeah. Oh, okay. No, I got my grapefruit tree usually is really good, and it's not as good this year.
No, now it has such thick skins on it.
Yeah,
I one.
yeah.
But they're already sweeter than we get at home.
Oh, yeah. Our grapefruit tree is probably one of the sweetest grapefruits I've ever tasted. We really have a good tree. And then I've got a lime tree. Yeah. And
Not
then,
very well.
I mean, it isn't very big. And I've had it a few years.
Well, you know, in Mexico, they have it. That's what they have in lines. They can't spread something they have hard not go around.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, no, my dad's got some really good lemon trees. And he's got a really good orange tree, too. But I tried to find, he put an orange tree in my yard, and I just would not grow. It just, you know, the branches would die on it and stuff, so we finally dug it out. And that was a Arizona sweet. I planted a mesquite tree a couple of years ago. I wanted to get some shade on the back side of our house. And boy, that grows fast. They're native for this country. Where is, oh, is that here in Arizona? Oh, in Nevada. It must be in Arizona. Yeah, I haven't heard of it. Here? Here? No. Oh, in Idaho. Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes it's nice to make a change. Totally, a scenery too. Yeah, it's like the perfect place for a wing, isn't it? I mean, the weather is about as... And it's so I know. Well, and the weather is so predictable. You know, sunshine every day. Yeah, same with ours. And then us living in Duluth, we live right on Lake Superior. You can get socked in on fog for days, and you never even see the sun. Yeah. Oh yeah. they don't get enough sunlight. And the vitamin D. Yeah.
They make me for 50,000 years a month.
Of D?
It's like I was born in London.
Yeah, some people have D deficiency. And they say you only got to be in the sun about 15 minutes though to get your normal dose.
Well, where I live in the canyon. If I stayed there for the winter, there's 3 months where the sun doesn't hit my house.
Oh, in Idaho? Yeah. Oh, okay.
So your mother acts like you're the boss.
Me?
Yes, I am.
Oh, believe me, she can tell me what to do, can't she?
Well, she pretty much does.
Yeah. Well, the other day at exercise class, I was going through my normal routine, and she goes, I don't want to do that one. I want to do this one. And I said, okay.
Do I have to?
Oh.
Yeah, we need a little